Hi, I'm Brian Galusha. I work at the Insurance Services Group at First Environment, and I'm also a drone pilot. I became interested in being a drone pilot because I really don't enjoy making maps. Just putting a drone up in the air and being able to take actual photographs of your site and put those photographs together to make a map, I found very appealing. I've been a certified drone pilot since 2018. The process to become a drone pilot is not that difficult. It does involve studying and learning a lot about the airspace and how you interact with that airspace, and taking a test at an airport. At First Environment, I use the drone primarily to map sites, to create 3D maps of sites. I've also used the drone to map soil piles and determine the volume of those piles. When I'm not using the drone for work, I enjoy taking landscape photography, also having a lot of fun playing with the manual settings of the camera, and I've kind of gotten back into photography. Some of the best days at First Environment are the days where I get paid to use my flying robot in the sky. Future drone use is just going to be incredible. In the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to see drones inspecting everything from buildings to bridges to water towers. They're going to be delivering goods and services. They're going to be a part of everyone's life. Thanks for watching. Follow First Environment for more information on drones and other topics.